B-reversing can be a great way to throw your opponent off and gives you an extra way of moving around the stage. So what is B-reversing? Basically, when you input a neutral B, you will normally use your special move the way you're facing. However, the game checks the analog stick the third frame after inputting the B move. If the analog stick is in the opposite direction on that third frame, you will flip the way you're facing, use your neutral B, and all momentum you had facing the original direction is now going the other way. So basically, press B and as quickly as you can, move the left stick in the opposite direction you're facing. It's a very tight window. You have 3 frames or 1/20th of a second to change the direction after pressing B, and if you move the opposite direction on the same frame you press B, you'll input a side B instead of a neutral B, so be careful. If you aren't able to get it at all, try going to a slower speed in training where the timing is more forgiving and work your way up. Keep in mind that since it flips your momentum, a B reverse has more use when you're moving left or right compared to just being stationary in the air. Also, a quick side note, you can do this tech with side Bs by inputting the direction and quickly flicking it to the other side before frame 3, but you could just input the original direction you want to go in the first place, so this isn't very practical. So how can you use this tech? Well, not every character has a great use for this, and some are more useful than others. If you have a charge move, you can run off a platform and do a B reverse to throw a hard-hitting move at an unsuspecting opponent. If you have a projectile like Mario's, you can jump away and B-reverse a fireball, and then run with the fireball to catch a shielding opponent, or to follow up if it hits the opponent. If you have a command grab, this can be great for landing on a shielding opponent who may be expecting a back air or something similar. For characters with good airspeed, you can use it to mix up your movement to keep your opponent on their toes. Now, for most characters, this isn't a game-changing tech, but it is something you should definitely know about and be able to do. Play around with your character to find its uses and practice it until you can get it consistently. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Peace.